What interested me about the job is the opportunity to help underprivileged kids, especially because I feel like inspiring kids at such a young age can really help grow and expand their goals in life.
So when I heard about this job, I was really interested in being able to help underprivileged kids receive STEM kits, because this is not a field that many kids are open to in underprivileged areas. And I feel like if they're open up to this, it's a very important area that everyone can participate in, and it's a great field which needs a lot of new scientists and people who are willing to put in the time and effort to help the field grow.
I'm really passionate about space exploration and all things space science, and I think it's really important to communicate that to the general public, especially younger kids, to get them interested in NASA subjects and potential careers with NASA, and this is a great introductory way to get kids into this.
I really love space, like way too much, and I was really excited because this is kind of in partnership with the Commercial Crew Program, and I just want more people in space, and people need to be excited about space for, NASA to get their funding and whatnot. So by putting the message out there that STEM and space is cool, that just furthers the mission of us being able to go do it.